everyone, welcome back to CSE Core Concepts, and in this small video we are going to discuss about the other type of data in supervised learning algorithm, that is the continuous data. So if your data does not look like 1, 2, 3, 4, but it can be your age, weight, temperature, stock price 92.5, 82.5, 1.1. So that type of data is called as a continuous data. And if you have a data which is continuous and your output is also a numerical output, not a classification, but a numeric output, so that is called as a that we are going to solve using regression. So what is, let's take some examples. So consider that you are going to determine the weight of a person based on its height. So both height and weight are continuous data, and you are deriving the weight, which is a continuous data numerical value. So then you are going to use regression. But here, since your weight is dependent only on one parameter, that is your height, it is called as a linear regression with single variable. But you can use multiple variables in order to predict. Let's say, for example, if you want to predict the insurance amount, which depends on your multiple parameters, the age of the person, whether he has some diseases or not, past amount, past many other factors. So that is called as multiple variable. Now here you can have some continuous data, some discrete data like how many number of dependents you have, what is your salary. Based on that you calculate the EMI. Or let's say, for example, you want to sell your car. So for selling the car you have multiple parameters. Let's say the age of the car, the model of the car, how many kilometers it has run, what is the size of the car, for how many passengers can be seated in the car. So multiple parameters will decide the price of your car, will predict the price of your car. That is called as a linear regression with multiple variables. And if your data has a binary output means what? We have to going for a blood test, multiple blood tests. The results of the blood test is what? Continuous. But your output is what? Yes, you have viral fever. No, you don't have viral fever. So if your output is a binary output, yes, no, that is called as a logistic regression, where input is continuous but your output is a classification. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe and get a hands on these regression models from the playlist. Thank you.